You are more than just a physical being in a physical world. You're composed of energy, existing in a universe where everything vibrates with energy. You possess the ability to both send and receive energy. One of your greatest challenges is understanding how to live as an energy being in a world entirely composed of energy. Every word you speak, every action you take, from simple tasks like breathing, walking, and eating, to the complexities of your thoughts and emotions, requires energy. These thoughts and emotions, whether positive or negative, carry unique energetic vibrations that shape your experiences and influence the world around you. By mastering your vibrations, you unlock a world of limitless potential. Consider yourself as a transmitter of energy. At all times, you're emitting signals that inform the universe about who you are. These signals can either attract or repel other energetic beings, events, and experiences. If the energy you send out radiates frustration or anger, your physical reality will reflect that. Naturally, you will attract circumstances that resonate with how you feel and who you are. On the other hand, if you emit an energy of wealth and abundance, your life will mirror that by drawing more wealth and abundance into your reality. Similarly, if your energy is negative or discordant, you'll likely repel experiences that don't align with your state of being. Once you grasp that your vibrational self attracts things of a similar nature, it becomes clear that if you want a different experience in life, you must alter the signals you're sending out. In other words, if you wish to attract new circumstances or outcomes, you need to adjust your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy to match what you want to experience. By consciously shifting the signals you emit, you can change the patterns and experiences that enter your life. You are far more powerful than you've ever realized. By understanding how to transmit the vibrations of the life you desire, you can fundamentally alter how you experience the world and align yourself with your ideal existence. Indeed, your thoughts aren't just random mental processes. They carry energy and vibrations. Every thought you have sets off a specific vibrational frequency in the neurons of your brain. This energetic activity creates a powerful force that aligns with and attracts similar experiences to you. Essentially, the energy and vibrations your thoughts emit act like magnets, drawing in and manifesting the essence of what you focus on. By understanding this principle, you can intentionally direct your thoughts toward the outcomes you desire, using their power to shape your reality. Your thoughts are the foundation of your reality. There's a well-known saying, "Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny." Your thoughts are like seeds, and they manifest your future. It's essential to be mindful of how you allocate your energy because energy follows attention. Ultimately, you are the one who decides where your energy is directed. You have the freedom to choose, and even the act of making a decision requires energy. As Albert Einstein once said, everything is energy. In fact, even watching this video requires energy. The energy we focus on ultimately shapes our reality. You have the power to direct and manage this energy, determining where to focus it and how to use it. By doing so, you can effectively channel your energy toward your goals and aspirations. It's crucial to recognize that you have control over your energy. When you're feeling down, you can shift your focus to something that uplifts your spirits. You can also enhance your energy by surrounding yourself with positive people, engaging in activities that bring you joy, and filling your environment with uplifting messages. Taking steps to protect your energy is equally important, such as setting boundaries, avoiding negative situations and relationships, and practicing self-care. The universe aligns with you, bringing everything into your life that resonates with your energy. Trusting and having faith in the power of energy can lead to extraordinary transformations in your life. When you trust in energy, you acknowledge your own worthiness to receive and your ability to generously give to others. Start to see that there's more to life than what meets the eye and that a higher force is at play. Connecting with this vast, boundless force, which possesses infinite wisdom, understanding, and love, will bring about remarkable shifts in your well-being. Your energy will realign, your cells will rejuvenate, and your overall health will improve. Feelings of despair, confusion, and disappointment will dissipate, replaced by a sense of peace, balance, and lightness. Your energy will become pure and flow smoothly like a clear mountain stream. You'll embrace your worthiness and deservingness, and joy will become a constant presence in your life. Wisdom and inner peace will enrich your soul, while clarity pervades your mind. This is the profound impact energy can have. And when you place your trust in it, everything in your life falls effortlessly into place. When you have faith in the universe and trust your own abilities, your energy becomes both powerful and serene. From this, wisdom and tranquility will emerge within. Your thoughts will transform into beliefs, and your dreams will begin to materialize into reality. By believing in your goals and taking concrete steps toward achieving them, you possess the power to create monumental changes in your life and accomplish all that you long for. Have faith in yourself and trust the universe to guide you toward your purpose. You will then discover your true mission in this world. Close your eyes and connect with your inner self. Feel the energy coursing through you, the love, the strength, and the brightness. You are energy, capable of creating your reality and manifesting your dreams. You are worthy, capable, and deeply loved. Believe in yourself and the universe, and watch the magic unfold in your life. To turn your thoughts into beliefs, it's crucial to actively practice belief. By placing faith in the universe's ability to provide for your needs, recognizing your desires and potential, and embracing your deservingness of love and happiness, you can cultivate a deep sense of peace and joy. Remember, you are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in one drop. Your vibrations echo throughout eternity, and may your journey be one of endless discovery, growth, and transformation. The universe is eagerly waiting for your harmonious vibrations, ready to co-create a reality beyond your wildest dreams. By consciously choosing and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the vibration you desire, you can attract and manifest corresponding experiences into your life. If you've made it this far, I would deeply appreciate your support through sharing and commenting. It would mean the world to me. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. To turn your thoughts into beliefs, it's essential to consistently practice the art of believing. By trusting in the universe's capacity to provide for your needs, acknowledging your potential, desires, and dreams, and accepting that you are worthy of love and happiness, you can cultivate profound peace and joy. Always remember, you're not merely a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean contained in one droplet. Your vibrations ripple across eternity, and may your journey be one filled with infinite discovery, growth, and transformation. The universe is eagerly awaiting your harmonious vibrations, prepared to co-create a reality that goes beyond your wildest dreams. By consciously choosing and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the vibration you desire, you have the power to draw and manifest experiences that correspond to that energy into your life. If you're still watching, your support means the world to me. I would greatly appreciate it if you could share and comment. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have an absolutely beautiful day.